All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone, and we are headed to a late night car meet. I know it may not be dark outside now, but believe me, it will be in a very short period of time. This is the first time I'm actually going to this location, so actually, you know what? It might be the second. It might be the second, but I don't remember it for shit. So I think it'll be pretty interesting, and it's supposedly supposed to be packed. So let's get a cold start and get on the way. Whew. Our neighbors are having a get together or something. I'm about to disrupt that with a cold start for sure. And they got like hella cars. I don't know what the hell going on. But 3, 2, 1. Too. You go ahead and get this car ready to go, and I'll catch you guys when we're on the road. Ah, oh, shoot, I forgot to go ahead and put it in track mode. That was the weakest tunnel blast I've ever done, but we are on the road. You got an RT coming up. Oh man. Oh, he cut that traffic. Sounded pretty good. I do like the way those RTs sound, I ain't gonna lie. Whew. I hope this meet's legit though, because I got a couple homies going up there, and there should be some serious builds going up there as well. So should be a good turnout. I'm only gonna stay for a couple hours. I'm not gonna stay the entire time because honestly I do gotta get back home and do some stuff. I'm not even done with all the work I need to get done with today. This is the same day that I recorded the Pro Charger unboxing, so I'm kind of doing a bunch of things today right now just to try to get ahead on both channels. So if you guys are enjoying the content, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Working hard. trying to be as consistent as possible. And you guys have been absolutely killing it. So I appreciate that, for real. I bet you $100 you about to see some type of race car at this gas station. Probably going to the same meet that I'm going to, because it already started like 10 minutes ago. The Gen 3 car right there. Ooh, little turbo Honda back here. Damn, that shit's pretty nice. I'd be lying if I said I was not looking for one of those right now. I know I said I'm done with kind of, oh god, do not. But honestly, those would probably be a pretty legit daily. Oh, we got Houston's finest over here. Be careful, brother, man. That guy is going after your ass. But you can get those hatches for a couple thousand. I'm talking cheap. And realistically, like, yeah, I know it'd be like another project, but I really wouldn't do shit to it. I'm trying to find one that's like, maybe got like a built motor, because it's really easy to find one with like a built motor and like a turbo step that's making like 300, 350 wheel, and quite literally just daily drive it. Oh man, I don't know why I want one of those, but I kind of do, man. I kind of want to get like a little turbo Honda. I have no idea why. But at the end of the day, I did say I was looking for a Civic, but I didn't say what type of Civic. What the hell is going on up here, fellas? Somebody's whole rear bumper or front, yeah, it's a rear bumper. Come on now. You moving molasses slow up in this bitch, man. Okay, there is no race car up here, damn. Well, actually, we haven't started pumping gas. We ain't out of here yet, so somebody could pull up, for real. Oh, man. We'll probably put like a whole 20 in this bitch, because I actually don't know how far this place is at. Alright, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I start pumping this gas. Alright, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but pumping that gas. 284, and it's not gone anywhere, which is good. Used to stay under $3. I know this wind noise probably OD at the station, but no race cars here. What the hell? It's a Saturday night. I know they're getting active tonight too. I will not be. Alright. We should have a good amount. Does this receipt bullshit work? Come on now. Oh! Yes, sir. Alright. All right, let's go ahead and get on the way. All right. Wonder how much gas we got. Oh yeah, we straight. And look what we got here. I mean, oh yeah, dude. I told you something was gonna pull up. I told y'all something was finna pull up. That counts. That 100% counts. So let's go ahead and head over to the meet. Oh man. I know I gotta pop a U-turn. I'm like 99% sure. Guess not. Never mind. Thank you, good sir. meet because I don't got too much battery life, and I definitely want to go ahead and be able to capture as many cars as possible. And I know this wind noise is probably gonna get crazy. I'm gonna drive with the windows down, so I'm gonna catch you guys when we get closer to the meet.
A few moments later.
You guys cannot tell me that shit don't look good. Y'all cannot tell me this don't look good. God, bro, the S650s look good. That shit looks good, bro. I veered off my wrong lane, but that shit looks good, bro. Ah, man. When they become tunable, y'all. Woo! Shit looks good. We're almost there, too. We're like 2 miles away. Ooh. 392 has a nice wrap on it. That's how you know you're close to a meet, when you start running into cars. Oh shit. There's Houston's finest right there. I was about to book it down this road too. Fuck. They're everywhere. Swagger. They're everywhere. Yep, right there. Damn, I was literally about to go. Ah! Something told me not to do it either too. Close one, y'all, for real, for real. Oh, man. He gave me the thumbs up. That shit is badass. Hell yeah. Those S650s look hella good. We got this Toyota behind me playing cop. Stand that shit, man. Like people drive like cops. Like, why do we gotta get on your ass like that? I gotta figure out exactly where they're telling people to go do a U-turn at. Oh, I'm seeing cars. Never mind. This hoe bussin', for real. So where the fuck is, like, I guess, parking and shit? So where are we supposed to park? ass over here. Damn. Oh, it's homie right there. Yeah. I don't really know where the fuck I'm supposed to park because I don't want to get towed. Hold on. Let me figure this out, y'all.
One eternity later.
Well, found parking. Hopefully we don't get towed. Let's see what we got over here though. That's when having a truck would come in handy. Oh man. Some decent cars. Northway Wecker service. Those were one of the fuckers that came to go pick up the black car when it broke down. I said, hell nah. Better go bring a flatbed. Let's see what we got over here. Yeah, they smart to have crop shit for sure. Let's see what we got over here. Ooh, GT4 RS.
If I stop moving, just crash.
Rev 9K. Like that plate. GT3 RS. That should look good. That looks very good. I like the rat color too. Ah, you're good. Ooh. What we got over here? Damn. What with that interior? Yeah, this location's pretty stacked. Ooh, this Viper's real nice. Twin turbo GT500. Alright, twin 555. Another GT500. What year y'all taking? S550 or S197? C6 Z06. On the Lagunas. It looks pretty good on the Lagunas, I ain't gonna lie. The GT500. Ooh. Fox body Cobra. Ooh. Things on bags. Thinking about it right now, I probably could have parked in here. Judging by the fact there's a lot of GT500s in here, I definitely could have probably parked in here. I kind of want to go move my car, but at the same time, that shit's too much work. But if I see a tow truck start going in that lot, I'm running over there. No bullshit. Shits look all good though, man. For real. I definitely could have parked in here. 6th gen on B-Lex. I love this color, C7Z. This is probably the color I'd get, or yellow. Actually, fuck it, I'll take any color. What am I kidding? GT500. Oh yeah, GT50 here. I could have parked in here for sure. I probably should go move my car. C6 Z06 on welds. Don't know the model, but shit looks good.
Probably you have 1%
Shit, look at all these GTRs. God damn. How many GTRs? Holy fuck. There's like 30 GTRs.
Because they couldn't really prove, like. I have no idea.
The M3 comp, that's what I be saying, y'all. These look better than the M4 comps. I don't give a fuck what y'all say. This looks mean. Or the M3 CS. This shit looks so good, man.
That's what I said. As a
M4, like, God, they look so good. Ooh, this Porsche looks nice. Dude, look. Yeah, this meat is fucking stacked. Holy shit. This meat is stacked. God. I told y'all this meat was gonna be pretty legit. R8's like, what the fuck? Supercars everywhere, man. It's so good.
that's a little different. That's more to get, but got RPG.
With the R8 and the BBSs, that's crazy. We're not even in the garage yet, and they got this shit out parked. God, man. That shit sounds good. Damn, bro. right there, I think. I'm gonna try to get back there. It's too many people. I'm not claustrophobic, but I might be after that. Pretty dope, I ain't gonna lie.
It's always the same. I love it.
My gimbal's acting up. Woo! Tilt seat.
Got a couple Christmas trees on it recently.
I told Gabriel that this guy, like,
my bad, bro. All right, it's the next day. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought of that meet. Honestly, I thought that was really, really good. The vibe was A1, and overall, a lot of nice cars popped out. There was a nice mix. There was a lot of domestics, foreign, supercars. That's a car meet for you, man. Honestly, that was way better than post-Houston, and I think a lot of people will agree with me that post-Houston, it's kind of turning into like just supercar Saturday, which is cool, but at the same time, it's just like the vibe is just not there no more. Like I feel like the average Joe ain't really welcome at post-Houston anymore, but like stuff like, you know, what we just had there, the If You Know You Know garage, the Porky's Backyard meets, Cypress, Clean Culture, stuff like that. All those are really, really good. I really like the vibe. I'm sorry about the plane, but if you guys enjoyed, feel free. Drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Hopefully there's some more meets like that going on in the near future. The beginning of the month is right around the corner, so there should be a lot of them. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.